everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Janelle and today I have a cute little summer haul for you guys. I got a few things from Shein and the rest of it is thrifted from 2 stores. All the links for the items from Shein will be in the description box down below. And yeah, I hope you all enjoy. Let's get into the video. I'm on my porch at my house. If you hear a lot of sounds in the background, I'm really sorry. People around here make a lot of noise, but I'm trying to record with natural light, okay? So we're gonna try to make it work. It's okay. I'm going to start with the items from Shein just because there are way more thrifted items that I have, so I'm gonna show you guys those first. So the first thing that I got from Shein is this really adorable orange, like a burnt orange ruffle top. It's ribbed and it actually is very nice quality for it to be from Shein. It's kind of thick, but not too thick to where I'd be like really hot in the summertime. So it just has these really cute ruffles around the neckline, on the sleeves, and along the bottom and the front. My favorite thing about this, I don't know if you can tell, you'll see in the try on for sure, but it has like a slit like up the front, so it only goes like the buttons are only in the middle, and then it shows some stomach. I think that is super cute. This would be a really great shirt for me this summer, I feel like, especially since orange goes really well with my skin tone, so I'm excited to wear this one. The next thing that I got from Shein is another top, and it is this really cute mint green halter top, sort of. It's a ribbed knit and it's really cute. It's a crop top. It has the little hoop for zipper detailing, and the back looks like this. It has like a strip to hold the neck piece in place, I guess, but it is really cute. I'm excited to wear it again this summer. I think that it's really like cute, simple. The next thing that I got from Shein is obviously a swimsuit. The one that I got, I actually did have to alter myself a little bit just because it wasn't quite fitting how I wanted. All of the shirts that I got are in the swimsuit as well as in the size small. So it's this really adorable like snake, red and black snakeskin swimsuit. Like, it's a little bit on the cheekier side in the back, but otherwise I think that the pattern is really cute. I love red on me as well, so that's why it made me go with this one. And I also don't have anything with this type of silhouette, the top more specifically, but I did bring in the top of the sides of the swimsuit bottoms a little bit just because they were a little loose around the top and I want it to be more fitted. But other than that, it does fit very well and the quality is nice too. The top just looks like this. It's like one of those one strap, and then in the back it also has this lace up detail up the back, which I think is really nice. I did also have to bring in the sides of this top because I took the cups out, the padding that was in it, just because it was kind of awkwardly shaped, and then it made it a little bit looser. Don't want to risk having like a nip slip or anything, so I brought it in on the side as well. But I think that this is a really cute swimsuit and I'm excited to wear it. All the pools are closed, so I don't know when I'm gonna wear it, but it's cute. The final thing that I got from Shein is actually not a piece of clothing. I got this super random Eiffel Tower. I don't really know. My room is like Parisian themed, sort of. I have like a whole bunch of pictures on my walls that have like a Parisian type theme, or like talking about the Eiffel Tower, things like that. So this goes really well with my room. Also the color is like the color that ties my room together is sort of a rusty gold like this, so it matches really well. It was only like $5 and it just says Paris right there. And yeah, I think it's really cute. It's probably like a foot tall, maybe, I don't know. But I'm just gonna like use it for decoration. I thought it was really cute. And that is all for the items that I got from Shein. Now we're gonna move on to the items that I purchased from Salvation Army. The next thing that I got is this really adorable, I think it's men's probably, but it's this blue kind of plaid-ish print men's top. It's just short sleeve, has these cute pockets on the front, and it's obviously oversized. It's a men's medium, but I plan on wearing this like really like low cut with my necklaces, and I think that it'll be really cute. I'm not sure what bottoms I'm gonna pair it with yet, but we will see. I think that it is so cute. This is who it's by, and I'm excited to wear this just because I feel like it's a really nice flowy summer top. The next thing that I got from this thrift store, Salvation Army, is actually really similar to something I already have. Ignore the beeping, okay? I don't know if I've put it, I feel like I've put it in a past thrift haul, but I got like one of the like the, I don't even know what this is called, like the hunter type print clothes. So this one is a crew neck. The one that I have is like a really huge quarter zip, but this one is a crew neck, which is what made me want to buy it. The tax is $3.99, so it was 50% off, so it's probably like $1 and some change. So crew neck, it's on the smaller size. It's not as big as the quarter zip that I have, so this is like regular size, low-key. The other one's like a 3X. This is like a medium. So I'm gonna be putting it away. Obviously I'm not really gonna be wearing it because it is the summertime, but I bought it anyway because it wouldn't be there when it got chilly outside and I wanted it really bad, so I bought it. Thing that I'm gonna show you guys is this jacket that I got. It is so cute. It's this like utility camo jacket. Obviously you'll be able to see it a lot better in the try on, but it has like cargo pockets on the front, and it's just regular camo print. I think that is really cute, and it's not like super thick either, so I can wear it over a lot of things this summer. I'll be able to lay it over like tube tops or tank tops or things like that. And it was only maybe $4 or $5, which was really great. So I love this jacket. The next thing I actually bought yesterday, and it probably looks pretty familiar because it is just like the other jacket I just showed you, but instead it's like gray and like different shades of gray, a gray version of it. And it also somebody like seam ripped the pocket off of here. I actually think that it might be the same exact jacket. I'm not positive though. They have to be from the same brand. The tags like look the same, but this one I purchased yesterday, and it was only I think $150 from the Salvation Army, and it is so cute. This one feels a lot thinner than the other one, so it makes me think that this one was probably worn a bit more. But I don't have anything that's this color scheme at all. Like I don't wear grays really that often, so I bought this. I think that'll be really cute, and I'm excited to wear it. The last thing that I got from the Salvation Army was this really cute little shoulder bag. It's by Jones. It's by Jones, New York, and it's just a really simple little purse. It has a zipper along the front, and you can like put your like ID in there if you wanted to, and then it's just small, and it's only big enough to carry like the really important things, which is good for me because I tend to throw a lot of things into my purses that I don't need to carry around. But it's really like it's not anything too low, and the strap's not like super long, so I think that it's really cute, and it could really spice up like a really simple outfit, I think. And that is everything that I got from Salvation Army. The last store in this haul is Goodwill, of course. Goodwill is the thrift store that I typically go to. I bought a lot of things from the thrift store the past few weeks. It's a lot. It's okay though. So the first thing that I got from there is this really beautiful dress. It's this really nice blue color, like really bright blue with these really nice purple flowers on it, and it kind of reminds me, like it gives me like a watercolor paint feel, which I love. But I think that these colors will be so nice in the summer. It is a size 12. It's a size 13. I'm obviously like a size not 13, so I'm gonna bring it in on the sides, but I think that it is so cute. It is like a mini dress. You'll see it in the try on. It's shorter. Obviously this can be dressed up or down with heels or with like white tennis shoes. I think that would be so cute as well. That's very my style. But this was half of $5.99. I don't know if anybody else has noticed. Goodwill has raised their prices, and they put a lot of $5.99s on stuff these days. Like it used to be like straight out, like flat out numbers, like $5, $3, $4, but now they have a lot of like $5.99s and $10.99s, which is like bleh. The next thing that I got is also a dress, and it's also too big, but it's this really nice long dress. It's yellow with all of these little flowers on it, and I think that is really cute. It does have some line detailing along the front, which I think is also cute. It is a little bit on the bigger side for me, so I'm gonna bring it in around the waist area, but it goes to probably maybe a couple of inches above my ankle, which is really long, and I like that. I am gonna put a slit on the side just because I think it could be really cute. But yeah, this one needs a little bit of altering, but overall I think that it's a really cute dress. The next thing that I got from Goodwill were these slack pants. They look like this, They're like brown with little pink and dark brown stripes. Like it kind of has a plaid-esque print on it. It does have a shoestring in the waist right now just because it is a little bit too big for me around the waist. I like wearing it too big, but I also thought it was cute with the shoelace, so that's why it's in there right now. But they're just like wide boot cut type slack pants, and I thought that they were really, really cute. The next thing is this really cute skirt. It's floral. If you haven't noticed, I really like floral print stuff. I buy a lot of things with flowers on them. It used to be like really bad in like middle school, and I like relapsed, so there's a lot of flowers in this haul. Sorry, not sorry. It's this really nice flowy skirt. It like goes out at the bottom, and it has these really high slits on the side as well, and it goes probably about to my knees, sort of. And I think that is so cute. This is what the flowers look like up close, and I think that it's really, really cute and simple. I'm gonna wear it with like, I could wear it with like white tube top or a white halter top, or even like a white simple tank top and with tennis shoes, and it'll be really cute. But this could also be dressed up with like some kitten heels, you know. So it was too big when I bought it. I just recently made it smaller around the waist because it was too big. But yeah, I think that this is a really, really cute skirt. I've already worn it as well. The next thing that I got from Goodwill was this chiffon black oversized top. It's sort of a blouse, I guess. It has buttons up the front and this really nice flower on the back of it, which is what drew me to it. It's just a really simple oversized blouse, but the flowers, like, I think is really nice and adds some spice to however I plan on wearing it. I do know how I'm gonna wear it. Stay tuned for a summer outfits video that will be coming up next week, I want to say. Make sure you turn on my post notifications. It is a 1X, so it is it is a 1X, so it is quite oversized, but I think that is really cute. So yeah, the next two things that I got are both the same type of thing. When I do protective styles on my hair, I like to put scarves on my head, like when I do my flat twists, or when I do like my little braid outs, I'll put like scarves around. So I bought two scarves. This one is like a plaid-ish print. It kind of gives me Burberry vibes a little bit. Hello, there you go. And you know, like when people wear scarves like this way around their head, that's how I plan on wearing this one. It was only like $1.99 or something like that. The next one is the same type of scarf, but it has like this texture, like this ripply texture on it, which I think is kind of cool. But it has like green, tan, brown in it, and I'm also gonna wear it around my hair this way. So the last two things that I got from Goodwill, the first thing is this really adorable sequins mini bag. Like, it's a little purse. It's a shoulder bag for sure, but I think you can also wear it like as a clutch type. It's just this brown copper color and has this really nice beading and sequins detailing on it, with silver hardware obviously. And it's another just a small purse that I think will be great for like a simple outfit and you want to spice it up with a little bag. I think that it's really cute, and it also can be worn really nicely with the dress up outfit, but also nicely with like a streetwear outfit as well. The last and final thing in this haul is one of my favorite things that I got from Goodwill. It's like one of those throwback 2000s-y, 90s-y belts that like have a whole bunch of loops. You'll see it better in the trunk because right now it kind of just looks like a chain, but you can wrap it around and it gives that like nice throwback feel. It's just regular silver and it has these oval shaped loops all over it, and it is adjustable, but it's made to be like low rise, sort of like go below the pants line. So yeah, I really enjoy like 2000s type fashion. Obviously I think that's a really big trend right now because all of those styles are starting to come back. But yeah, so love this belt. So that is all for this video today, guys. I hope you all enjoyed listening to me ramble on about some clothes that I bought. I don't have anywhere to exactly wear them, but you know, I want to get dressed for fun, you know. Like I said before, all the links for the Shein items will be in the description box down below, and make sure that you follow me on all of my social media. That will be in the beginning of this video, in the end screen of this video, and also in the description box down below. So make sure that you follow me on there, and also hit that subscribe button down below if you have not already. We are so close to 500 subscribers, so just subscribe, you know, just do it. Just do it, okay? So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.